Carbon plus oxygen gives CO2 delta H value given. Carbon monoxide oxidation gives carbon dioxide. Here also delta H is there. The heat of formation of carbon monoxide. So formation means you write carbon monoxide at right side of arrow mark. The elements required to get carbon monoxide, that is carbon and oxygen, while balancing it should be half O2, and we must mention physical state for a thermochemical equation, and we need to calculate what is the delta H value here. This is the question. So here carbon monoxide is present at left side of arrow mark. So reverse this equation. Once you reverse this equation, minus 135 becomes plus 135.2 kilocalorie. That is the value for 2 moles of carbon monoxide. Therefore, for 1 mole of carbon monoxide, that is 135 divided by 2. It comes somewhere 130 by 2 means 75. So this is 77.5. And here carbon plus O2 gives CO2. You keep this equation as it is. Equation first one as it is, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Delta H equal to minus 94 kilocalorie. And second equation is reversed and divided by 2. So CO2 gives carbon monoxide plus half O2. Now you may write delta H here. Delta H equal to 77.5 kilocalorie. So add these two equations. The difference would be a negative value with somewhat 20 difference. Therefore, answer is first one.